Greetings, friends! Welcome to part 2 of my series for Mike's Master Classes on Coltrane Changes. Coltrane Giant Steps Changes, the Coltrane Giant Steps Cycle. Part 1, we covered how to superimpose this on a regular 1-6-2-5 or a 2-5-1-6, and this time we are going to take this cycle and superimpose it 2 ways on a traditional jazz blues progression. Coltrane himself and many other musicians since his work have superimposed it on many different songs. Countdown is Tune Up, Satellite is How High the Moon, and there are many. He did it on Body and Soul. There are many different examples of this, but I don't know of any that are on the blues. So since blues is one of my big things, I figured you might want to see how it works out on the blues. Now, B flat, B diminished. Here I've simplified F down to D7. Now Coltrane Cycle. In this lesson, I'm going to do the cycle in 2 places on the blues progression. The cycle superimposed on the first 4 measures of the blues, and then the rest of the blues was just a normal jazz blues. And then I am going to turn around and do it on the last 4 measures of the blues. Now I have some written examples for you with some specific licks and lines that you can play over the Coltrane Changes part of the blues. And then I've also indicated on the normal part of the blues where you can just fill in whatever you want. And so it's kind of like one of those old paint by numbers paintings where you fill it in, and then you got to add a little creativity of your own. And